Hi everyone. I know it's been a very long time since you've probably seen me. I've been incredibly busy with work and house-related activities, but I thought I'd just pop on a video just to let you know about a new opportunity I've been cooking up. So I'm finally going to be doing an online comprehensive socionics crash course. It is going to be a paid course. The idea is that it will be done at a reduced price of £240, which is basically £20 for each of the 12 sessions. Um, and of course, after the pilot, it will be going up to 300, so £25 for each of the 12 sessions. And yes, 12 sessions, that's a lot. But I think to really get to grips with socionics, it needs a lot of different courses. Um, so yeah, the idea is that this is comprehensive in this introduction. It should take you from beginner level, novice level, whatever you want to call it, to being advanced in your understanding of socionics, being able to type others. The idea is that at the end there will be sort of like a little test, as it were, at which point we'll be able to issue you with a certificate saying you are a WSS qualified socionist. So it's potentially very intriguing opportunity for a lot of people who may be interested in getting to grips with Ethereum, finally being able to practice that at a level of confidence. So yeah, you'll be learning from me directly, and yeah, the course will cover all the basics in the theory to begin with, from information metabolism elements, the functions of Model A, small groups, say clubs, quadras. We'll be going through all four quadras in depth and all 16 of the types. We're looking at intertype relations, and then we'll be going into typing others, and there'll be a few sessions dedicated to really getting to grips with typing other people. I'll be setting homework. There'll be lots of exercise. It won't just be me talking all the way through. It'll be broken up with multiple sessions, breakout rooms for people over Zoom, and yeah, and then there'll be just be that assignment, and you'll have the qualification. So it is I think the only English speaking course out there. It is quite a bit less expensive than some of the Myers-Briggs type indicator courses you could be going on instead. And yeah, I think ultimately a far more valuable theory to know and practice. At the moment we're just coordinating. I hope to be starting this in September, and the course should finish in November. It'll be done over weekends, most likely. And I'm just trying to coordinate days, and after coordinated days, I'm going to try and coordinate times over DoodlePoll. So if you're interested, if you feel you can afford that, perfect. If you feel you may need to pay in installments, that's also fine. We can make it easy for you. But the idea is, please reach out to me if you're interested by email. Just email worldsocionics@hotmail.com, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, I've got a lot of course material to prepare, so if you're interested, I look forward to seeing you all in September. All the best, and thank you very much. Bye bye.